Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour tout mes loves. Comment nous y est? Moi souhaite que nous en forme. Jeudi, moi porte pour nous un unboxing of my two bags. So as you can see, I have this burgundy bag. This is from Victoria's Secrets. The kids got it for me. Oh, the sun is shining. What a beautiful afternoon. So this is what the inside look like. You see? The inside is black with some gray lightning. And then what else? What's in there? Oh, there's a little pocket for your card. Oh, you see? This is a little pocket for your credit card, your debit card. And then there's an outside pocket for your phone or your keys. I like the color. I like the gold hardware on the purse because I like gold. And then it came with a little mirror. Oh, look how cute. So cute. And it says Victoria's Secrets. The kids got me that. Oh, thank you, kids. And I'm putting it back because I'm not using that bag yet. So soon. And then you can wear it two ways. You could do a shoulder bag like this. Oops, no stomach. You could do a shoulder bag, or you could do a crossbody like this. But mostly I probably wear it as a crossbody or over my shoulders. But as someone who likes to sweat, I don't do shoulder bag because when you're a sweater and then you wear a shoulder bag, all you do is sweat some more. So I don't like that. And then my second purse, you see this? This is from Saks. My sister got that one for me. It's a clutch. Okay? This is it. It's a black clutch. So I went to an event last week. So you see, this is a clutch. You could wear it like this under your arm, or you can hold it like this. So let me open it and show you the inside. The name is Unboxing.Min Kelke. You see? Unboxing.Min Kelke. So there's an inside pocket. And then these, okay, you can take them off. Yep. With a silver zipper. So this is it, just like this, and a tassel. If you like a tassel, this is a tassel. Yep. Just a little unboxing for you guys of my two new bags. Oh, actually there's a third one. Hold on. So I'm wanting a natural light. So this one, so if this one is in and out. This is the third one. Ah, my little Kurt Geiger. I got this one at the end of last year. So you could wear it as a crossbody. You could wear it as a shoulder bag, but you could wear it as a handbag. So I like to wear it like that the most. I like to hold it like this, or mostly I carry it like this. And then this is detachable, so sometimes I take the belt off, so it's like this. You see? So cute. What's in there now? Oh, my wallet is in there. So this is the inside. And then you have a little pocket for your card. Oh, this is money I have in here. I didn't know. And I've been looking for that money. Wow. Okay, stay there. My little cat Geiger that I like. And then the fourth one is my everyday bag. This bag I bought it, I think, 2 years ago from Amazon. But it's a real leather. So lately, I don't spend my money in those vegan leather. Because vegan leather is a scam, okay? Vegan leather is a scam. They just want to take your money. But the bags are no good. After 3 or 6 months, they're all falling apart. But silver hardware, I don't really like the silver, but it's the bag that I go to work with. It's the bag that go through a lot because I don't care that much about it. And it's real leather, so he can stand all the trouble that I put her through. So what I have in here, a mascara. There's an outside pocket for my keys or my phone. There's another inside pocket for the same purpose. And there's a middle pocket. You see? A middle pocket. So there's a lot of compartment on that bag. That's what's so good about it. And then on that side, okay, this is pad that I just bought. Things I take note. Lotion that I need. My old phone. A little pouch with pins. What you call it again? I can't remember the name right now. But the name in French is centimètre. So, oh, this is a meter. There you go. I found it. This is a meter. And then there's 2 more little pockets on the other side of this bag. So, it carries all this. So, this is my bags. A little unboxing for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And welcome back. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you. I am so happy you guys are here. So don't forget to comment and subscribe and share. You know, I am back for good now. Sorry for the long hiatus, but I am back now. Oh, and another pin. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be on the lookout for the videos. Usually I post on Thursday, but I'm gonna try to do another day so you guys will be able to catch me twice a week, if not once. So it depends on how hard it's hitting me. So if life is a little chaotic, I might take a break again. But for now, I am back with my Puerto Rico cap. So thank you guys for watching for another video. I will see you soon. Bye.